Hi friends, welcome to another video from T4 Top Notch. I am Sheryl signing in. Today in this video I will be showing you how we can replace the dead battery of our car's key remote. So these are the two types of car's key remote which is found in India. These are the transport keys. In a transport key, we'll have a mechanical key and a microprocessing chip inside. So when we insert this key into the car's keyhole, the chip synchronizes with the security system and only then we will be able to move the car. These are the keyless entry type key or smart key. So inside this key we have a microprocessing chip. So for opening the car and moving the car, there is no mechanical key as such, but when the battery is dead in the smart key, then by pressing this button we will be able to take a mechanical key from this. This mechanical key can be used only to lock the car and open the car's door, but for moving the car, a very live battery is mandatory and required in this smart key. So I'll be showing you how we can replace the dead battery from this smart key. This is the battery which we will be replacing in the car's key remote. This is a lithium battery. Its name is CR2032. This is a lithium battery which is of 3 volt. This CR means chromium, which tells that this battery is having certain amount of chromium. 20 is a diameter, that is a 20 mm. That is the diameter of this battery, and 32, which means 3.2 mm. That is the height of this battery. So this battery is commonly known as coin battery or button battery. So let's open this battery and replace the dead battery from the smart key. First, let's remove the mechanical key from the smart key. By pressing this button, we will be able to pull it out. This is how it looks without the mechanical key. Now let's use a screwdriver to open the remote. Just by slowly sliding the screwdriver, we will be able to open the smart key. This is how it looks inside. This is the IC or the sensor, and this is the battery compartment. Now let's remove the battery. This is the dead battery. It's mentioned as lithium CR2032. This is the new battery. The battery comes with the name CR2032. We get even DL2032. DL, which means those are Duracell 2032. Those batteries are from the Duracell company. Now let's place it in a proper way, that is as per the marking and instruction. Make sure that the battery is in its position, fixed and well, so that it doesn't fall off. Next, we need to take the main component, then just fix it back to position. Make sure it is pressed in such a way that there is no gap or opening, so that it won't get opened. Make sure that the press is working well. Okay, let us test. You can see a small light blinking, which indicates that the battery is changed and the smart key is working. Now let's insert the mechanical key back to position. There is a groove into which we will be pushing it. Now the dead battery is replaced with a new battery. This was a simple video on how we can change the dead battery of our car key remote. Hope this video was informative. Do support, subscribe and like my channel for more informative videos. Thank you.